In the first video, we talked about the 4 stages of entrepreneurship. It was the first stage, which is the want entrepreneurship, the second stage, which is the intrapreneurship, the third stage, which is the side entrepreneurship, and the fourth stage, which you want to be in, is the full-time entrepreneurship. The one entrepreneurship is the easiest stage because it's just the dream stage. It could be called the dream entrepreneurship stage because you have a dream in which you want to become your own boss. You want to become an entrepreneur. And you sit down with your mates and you talk about the times that you will be an entrepreneur. You know what? We should quit this. We should do something. And guess what? You will say, you know what? Just as soon as the pandemic over, I'll do something. Just as soon as the Christmas is over, I'll do something. Then years and years and years they come by and you do nothing. The difference between being a one entrepreneur and getting to the second stage, which is the intrapreneur, is how many actions you take. So if you are willing to take action, go to the third episode that I have about intrapreneurship.